In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Krita step by step, quickly and easily. Whether you want to change the overall dimensions of your artwork, prepare an image for upload, or make sure your file fits a specific size, Krita gives you a simple way to do it without making the process complicated. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Krita and load the image you want to resize. Once your file is open, look up at the top menu bar. Click Image, and then choose Scale Image to New Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+I if you want to get there faster. This is the option you need when you want to resize the entire image, not just a layer or a selection. After that, a resize window will appear. Here, you'll see the width and height settings for your image. Now you can enter the new dimensions you want. If you already know the exact size you need, just type it in directly. If you're resizing for a platform, print size, thumbnail, or social media post, make sure you're using the correct measurements before confirming anything. One very important setting here is the aspect ratio. You want to make sure the chain icon is linked so the width and height stay proportional. This prevents your image from stretching or looking distorted. If the chain is unlinked, changing one value may force the image into an awkward shape, which is usually not what you want. So before you continue, double-check that aspect ratio is locked. Next, take a look at the filter option. For the best quality, leave it on bicubic or Lanczos 3. These filters help preserve detail and give you a cleaner result, especially when you're making the image smaller or adjusting it for a polished final look. If you're not sure which to choose, bicubic is a safe option, and Lanczos 3 is also excellent for quality resizing. Once your width, height, aspect ratio, and filter are set correctly, take one last moment to review everything. This is the point where you can catch mistakes before they happen. When you're happy with the settings, click OK. Krita will now resize the entire image based on the new dimensions you entered. After the process finishes, your image will appear at the new size, ready for export, editing, or sharing. And that's really all there is to it. Resizing an image in Krita is simple once you know where the Scale Image to New Size option is and how to use the aspect ratio and filter settings properly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Krita tutorials and creative software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.